So we are still on IUPAC nomenclature. We are done with the alkene. We are moving to alkanes. Alkane. That is C double bond C. This is the functional group. You still remember? That is alkane. Alkane. So the general formula of alkane is CnH2n. So let's start with the first member. The first member of alkane is ethane. So no member of alkane with one carbon atom, nothing like methane, unlike a methane in alkane. So the first member of alkane is ethane. We start with 2 carbon atoms. It has 2 carbon atoms. So let's see the formula. Ethane will be carbon is 2, N is equals to 2, with N equals to 2. So apply the formula. We have C2H84. So structurally, you have to write the first double bond between 2 carbon atoms. Then hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is complete. Remember, carbon is tetravalent. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the structure of ethane. So that's the first member. So we have propane. Second member, propane, meaning here N equals 3. So the molecular formula is propane. The molecular formula will be 3. So if you want to structure, write this propane alkene family. The first 2 carbon atom must put carbon, then another carbon, because it has 3 carbon. Then the first 2 carbon atom must bear double bond. So let's distribute hydrogen. We don't cram down hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon is complete. So 1, 2, 3. I can put hydrogen here. 4. Carbon 1, 2, 3. I cannot put anything here again. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you count, you see hydrogen is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't cram it. So that is the formula of molecular formula of propane. So let's see butane. Butane is C4H8. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 2 carbon atom, double bond. So let's distribute hydrogen. Hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's tetravalent, it's 4. You cannot add extra hydrogen to this carbon again. So for this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the structure of butane. All these are called normal butane or straight chain alkane. They are arranged in straight form. That is straight chain. That's so. Let's see 4. Let's say you have to write the formula for propane. Write down the formula for pentane. Rather, pentane. You know it to be C5H10. If you use the formula 5. Write down the formula for ethane. I just jumped. Ethane. C7H14. 6. Ecosane. Ecosane. You know equals is 20. C20H4 40. And so on and so forth. This is but remember, all these can be named as, okay, we are coming to that. All these can be, instead of saying butane, you can say one in. Because that in is between carbon 1 and carbon 2, then you take carbon 1. So butane, same thing as put 1 in. Propane, same thing as prop 1 in. Ethane, et 1 in. Pentane, pet 1, can call it pent 1 in. Pent 1 in, and so on and so forth like that. Take note of that. But when what of the all these are called straight chain? What of when they are branched? When they are branched, let's see branched chain alkane, alkanes. How do we name branching alkane? When they are branched, when they are branched, when they are branched, or when the position of a double bond is changed. So let's see one. Let's see one. If you are giving, I call it branch change alkane, and when you change the position of a double bond, so let's see when the position of double bond is changed. Let's see, you are given a structure like this. You are given a structure like a butane. Given a structure. One, so be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. You can see when you count it, you see hydrogen, carbon is 4. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 8. That's the molecular formula of a butane. But the position of A is changed now. So you will have to count from left to right, right to left. If you are counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, from left to right. In double bond, in is between carbon 2 and carbon 3. Then you take carbon 2. So, and the parent name is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is butane. So it will now be but. In is between 2 and 3. Then you take 2. But2 here. But when you count it from here to here also, always check from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's also between 2 and 3. You take it. So either left to right or right to left. You still have the same answer. You have the same answer. So that is 1. 2. Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have A here. You have hydrogen here. Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Let's count it. Be careful here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot put hydrogen up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't create atom unnecessarily. Atom can never be created nor destroyed. So carbon is tetravalent. Always count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not put hydrogen here again. So this is the structure we have to name. So if you want to name this, if you are counting from left to right, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The longest is 6. That is hexane. But A is between carbon 4 and 5. So to be X, between 4 and 5, you take 4. X4, 4N. X4N. But when you count, let's count from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is between carbon 2 and 3. So I will say X. N is between carbon 2 and 3. So I will take carbon 2. So 2x2. What will be the correct answer? Take the lower number. This is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. This is wrong. So 3. Let me warn you here again. There are some questions. They will give you this molecular formula: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH, then CH3. Then you have to draw the structure. You are given the molecular draw the structure. You don't know whether even it is alkane, you don't know whether it belongs to alkane, you don't know whether it's alkyne. So but when you are drawing it, the inside hydrogen will tell you what to do. You cannot add hydrogen. You can't add hydrogen. The only thing you can add is bond. Take note of that. So carbon, if you take carbon, let's put hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. I'm satisfied. Take another carbon, hydrogen down, hydrogen up. Take another carbon, hydrogen down, hydrogen up. Making 3. Take another, we have carbon here, hydrogen, you either put it up or down. Let me put it up. That one is on. Another carbon here with one hydrogen, that's all. Then CH3. You know clearly this can never be alkane, does not belong to alkane because it lacks hydrogen here, no hydrogen here, and you cannot add hydrogen to the formula. So you can only tamper with the number of bonds. So let's see here. One, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 complete, 1, 2, 3, 4 complete, 1, 2, 3, 4 complete, 1, 2, 3. So definitely you have to keep making it 4. You know you can't put it here, otherwise this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it 4. So let's see what has happened to this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot take any extra bond. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is only a single bond you are going to introduce. Please always take note. Because when you don't have extra hydrogen, you can only tamper with the number of bonds. The bond. So from here, limit, you count it from left to right, then check from right to left. 1, 3, 4, 5. Or A will be between 3, 4. When you count it between 2 and 3, you take 2. It's lower than 4. So the next one X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be X 2 A. X 2. So 4. We have chlorine here. You have another chlorine here. You have hydrogen here. You have hydrogen here. Chlorine on carbon 1, another chlorine on carbon 2. So it will be 1, 2 dichloro. You know this is F, 18, 1A, or simply 18. This is 18. This double bond shows to alkane group. That's the functional group double bond. Belongs to alkane. So and it has 2 carbon atoms. That is 18. So chlorine attached to carbon 1, another chlorine on carbon 2. So we have 1, 2 dichloro-18. So the name is 1, 2 dichloro-18. So let's see example 5, where you have 1, 2, 3. Let me do it like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot add hydrogen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. So you have to name this. Always count from left to right, right to left. If you count from left to right, take the longest number of unbranched carbon atom and write it as a parent string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The long 1, 2, 3, 4. You can either take this route or you take this route. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Either of the two are correct. So I prefer 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just take 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a route. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my methyl, you know, alkyl group is attached to carbon 3. carbon 3, and N is between carbon 2 and 3, so I will take carbon 2. So 3 methyl attached to carbon 3, 3 methyl, then 1, 2, 3, 4 boots between 2 and 3, 3 methyl boots 2N. But remember, if you count from here to here, from right to left, this one will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. Yeah, methyl attached to carbon 2, while N is between 2 and 3, so I will still take 2. The methyl attached to carbon 2, 1, 2. So it will be 2 methyl boots N. This double bond is between carbon 2 and 3. So definitely I will take 2, the lower number. So 2 methyl boots 2A. Clearly, which one is the correct answer? So you have to check the one with the lower number. You can see boot 2A. That is very correct. Boot 2A. But this one is 2, this one is a 3. So this one give you 4, this one give you 5. So this is the correct answer. This one is it's wrong. It's wrong. That is example 5. That is example 5. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. We have methyl here. We have hydrogen. Be careful anyway. You see double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't put hydrogen up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take note of that. So in this case, you have to name it. So the longest, you are counting from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's boots. And the A between 3 and 4, I will take 3. Boot 3 A. The methyl attached to carbon 2. This is alkyl methyl. So I will say 3. Okay, attached to carbon 2. I will say 2 methyl boot 3 here. So let me count from right to left. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. So let's so I still have boots. My A now is between 1 and 2, so I will say boot 1 in, or boot A, boot 1 in. N is between carbon 1 and 2, so I will take boot 1 in. The methyl attached to carbon, you can see methyl attached to carbon 3 here. So 3 methyl, so it will be 3 methyl boot 1 here. 3 methyl boot 1 here. Definitely this is the, because lower when you had 1 plus 3 is 4. This one is 5, so this one is wrong. This is the correct answer. So 3 methyl boot 1 boot A or boot 1 here. That is what we have. Let's see more example. 7. Let's see something like this. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. You have hydrogen here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see how to distribute hydrogen. Be careful. So the longest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. That is X. X what? A. So I'm counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A, the first A between 2 and 3. So I will take 2. A on carbon 2. Another A between 4 and 5 is 4 on carbon 4. Another A. Take 4. Another A on carbon 4. Making how many A? That is 2. Die. So we say x24 down here. X24 down here. That's the answer. But if you count from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will say x in is in between 2 and 3. So I will take 2. I will take 2. Is between 4 and 5. Also, I will take 4.